Hi guys, and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to add friends for free on Steam. To start this tutorial, open store.steampower.com in your internet browser. Once you are here, click on the message icon on the upper right, and then you will see here that there are 0 new invites. Now click on it. Once you are in the new invites page, you are going to look for the icon that says Add Friend. Once you find it, tap on Add a Friend. Click this one over here. Now you will see that your profile has no 0 friends. In here, you're going to copy your friend code. Also, if you already have your friends being available on Steam, ask for their friend code and then enter your friend's code to invite them to connect. There is also an option to try searching for your friend. To do that, just simply know their username and use the search bar over here. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel.